Hey everyone, so let's just take a look at this app called Hexa AI. So logo and art maker. So here's the app, quite high in the charts, quite a good app. AI logo and art generator. Hexa AI brings creativity to life, create logo status, invites, product photos, and more. Now with animation, editing, and sharing tools powered by AI. Unlock your creativity with Hexa AI. Ultimate AI-powered design app for effortlessly crafting logos, tattoos, signatures, book covers, and more. Whether you're an entrepreneur, artist, or creative singer, Hexa AI empowers you to bring your ideas to life. So, key features: AI-generated logos, posters, covers, invitations, business cards made simple, room design, restyle your living space, custom coloring books, generate printable coloring pages from your own ideas. So a lot of like multiple features, as you can see. Easy editing, refine every detail with intuitive controls, multi-purpose design, user visuals for branding, marketing materials, print assets, digital content. So AI powered, fully customizable, beginner friendly. So let's just open it up. So 70% off. They just have it here, $7 weekly, if you wanna. And then you can just go and upgrade. So $40 per year. So again, AI logo, AI sticker. This is a new AI product, photo and video, AI album cover, AI art, AI garden design, AI card design, AI tattoo, AI card, AI signature, AI mockup, AI garment, AI poster, AI social media posts. So all kinds of categories, everything in one app, which is pretty cool. AI room design, AI book cover, AI thumbnail, AI invitation, AI coloring book, AI wallpaper. So for example, poster, enter your poster. So from scratch or from template. And then you can just see here all kinds of. So for example, here you can just see poster text and then just like uh, and then you can just do it here, but you need to get coins. So for that's 50 coins, and you're getting coins if weekly 3,000 coins if you upgrade. And I also tried like a signature. So signature, you can see it created a signature here, which then you can use. You can use it for mockups, and then you can animate it, you can save it, you can share it. And then tap the share and earn button, share your design and earn 50 coins instantly. So then this is the way, if you just share it, you can get some additional coins. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. But again, you have watermark. I don't think that they have some kind of. Okay, so here you have it. That's just what you can do. Pretty cool. And then you can just download, you can regenerate it, you can animate it. Very easy to use app and a lot of use cases. I don't think they have any kind of invite codes yet. No promo codes, no referral codes. Otherwise, I would just share it with you. So at the moment, this is just what they have. And then, yeah, again, really cool app in terms of there are all of these use cases and all of these features which you can try with the app. So that's what it is. Yeah, try it out.